Coming live from Merida, Mexico, this is Amputee Adventures. Buenos dias, everybody. It's a beautiful Sunday morning with mostly sunny skies, a little bit of fog in the forecast, but we're going to try out a new breakfast place today. It's a few blocks down, so it's going to take me a little bit to get there. So let's go and see what it's like. A friend of mine posted on Facebook about this place, so I'm going to go check it out. So let's go. So yeah, as I'm going down that way, this is the first time I've been down this way. I'm on 64th south of my place, but the sidewalks are extremely wide. Yeah. Cool houses. Yeah, it's a double lane street, so it is a busy street, but it is big sidewalks. Yeah, this is a little bit of Merida. You know, people are saying, well, it looks so ugly on the outside, but yeah, what happens is you look on the inside, and it's just a four-way, and then it goes out to the garden. And that's where you see the open spaces. These walls are just to protect what's they have inside. Some of these places are very nice. I love the colors of the place too. The oranges, the blues, the aquas, the canary yellows. Gutierrez Ablogados, an attorney. Yeah, so you get, I don't know if you can really see it back there, but it's the center of the jungle. And what's this over there? Uniform Deportivos, Lucky 7. With a Coca-Cola vending machine right outside. But I love the architecture of the old buildings. You know, and some of these are two-story. And almost have a Victorian style. And then you have the fleur de lis. Just, you know, it's turn of the century, 1900. And then you got new stuff with even their keypads. All right, let's get to my breakfast place. Well, hello, everybody. Okay, so I went to down like 6 blocks, a couple blocks over, and went to this place called Sempere. As you can see it over there on the corner, the white background of the blueprint. The only thing they did not post that it is upstairs, and they have nothing like that they mentioned. So thankfully there's some other restaurants that I passed by that looked a little bit more to my liking. So let's go try one. Let's try a new one, find out what we find. Well, went and looked for different places, but ended up at one of my favorite places back behind me, Parque Santa Ana. Yeah, it's just a nice sitting out here in the shade. And yeah, you got the beautiful fountain going, you got music, there's the fountain. You got some jazz music played on the sax. So yeah. So I'm going to chill out here for a little while. Destined to find a new restaurant to go to, though. I'd like to. I've already been to the Del Sol. I don't know. I just went walking, rolling, 6 blocks down, 2 blocks over for that one place that didn't advertise that they were upstairs. And saw another restaurant. There was a couple of the ones that were right by me, but didn't look that inviting. One, I was waiting at the door, and Had a waiter walk by, but never took my name down or took my temperature, so I said, okay, I'll go somewhere else. Yeah. Right now I'm just chilling out here. It's this beautiful park. There's a fountain right there. People chilling out, families. We got kids on bikes. Other ones chasing pigeons around. We're feeding them over there. Yeah, this is one of my favorite places to hang out at. It's a gorgeous little park, got a nice little breeze going, sunny day. Yeah, figured out. It's about 50-50. I'll end up at my Parque Santa Ana for some tacos and either limonada or something. We'll see. So yep, I ended up at my favorite place, Parque Santa Ana. Busy crowd today. But you know, when you see a bunch of people, that's when you know that's the place to be. The crowded place is the best place to eat. And with the beautiful park in the background. And you get some vendors over there selling some shirts and masks, balls and toys. But yeah, it's just a beautiful place to be. So let's have some tacos and a Coke for breakfast. You can't beat this place. It's simple. It's really great. The tacos are gigantic for the price. I think it's what it's. They go up? Yeah, three. They did go up. It's 3 tacos for 65 pesos now. Was 53. Sí, gracias. And 1 liter of Coca-Cola. Sí, gracias. So yeah, I get my tacos and a Coke. What do Cokes go up to? I think it's like a. I don't see where it says Cokes. The Cokes are probably like 40 pesos, 30 pesos, or something like that. Or 20. No, they're a little bit cheaper. But yeah, so it's usually like 100 pesos, and for 3 tacos and a drink, yeah. I know the limonada is 40 pesos, so it's 105 pesos now. But yeah, still can't beat it. Like I said, yesterday I had some tacos from that one place, and it was just meat, a little bit of meat on one tortilla. Here they do 1.5 tortillas. It just is what it is. And you get to more. You get to avocado, cucumber. Well, here, I'll show you what it comes. I forgot to take a picture of the tacos before I ate them. They were so good. But yeah, the tomatoes and onions, and then that slice of avocado on top, and then a small slice of cucumber in there too. It was excellent. And now I'm seeing a guy over there. If you can see him in between the people. He's got the hat backwards in front of the guy with the white shirt, but he's selling pan, the bread. So, yeah. I'm gonna finish my Coke here and then probably head home and do my chores that I have to do today. Not to forget what I have to do, but I gotta do something. Anyways, yeah, the tacos here. Yeah, it's 65 pesos for 3 tacos, and I think we'll see on the soda and the Coke. I think it's like 30 or something like that. It's 100 pesos, but yeah, they are excellent. Great food. I always come here. This is my to-go-to place. It's always good, fresh, and yummy. Plus all the habanero sauce. That's bueno. So yeah, it was 90-some odd pesos, but yeah, I gave him 120. This is the best place to get tacos and a Coke. It is yummy. Yeah, the avocado is perfectly right. Tomatoes are onions are yummy, and the cucumber adds a nice little coolish flavor with mixed in with the habanero. And yeah, it's dog friendly. You got a big bulldog over there. I don't know if you can see him. And then a beagle over there just baying. But yeah, great place to come eat. My favorite place. All right, guys, like, comment, subscribe, Share if you dare.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all your support and all your comments. And if you would like, buy me a taco. Have a great day.